जज्बाए दिलगर में जाऊं।
Born in Guwahati in 1950, Pakistani singer Nayara Noor was adored by millions from both Pakistan and India. Celebrated Pakistani singer Nayara Noor, adored by millions from both India and Pakistan for her soulful melodies, passed away after a brief illness, her family said on Sunday, bringing the curtains down on the life of one of the last musical icons to represent the shared culture of India and Pakistan. Noor was 71, and had been under treatment for quite some time in Karachi, media reports said. It is with heavy heart that I announce the passing of my beloved aunt Tayyib Nayara Noor. May her soul RIP, her nephew Raza Zaidi tweeted. She leaves behind an enviable legacy and a treasure trove of mellifluous renditions. Noor was born in Guwahati in 1950. Her father was an active member of the All India Muslim League and hosted Pakistan's founding father Muhammad Ali Jinnah during his trip to Assam before the partition in 1947. Sometime in 1958, her family migrated to Lahore in Pakistan's Punjab province. Education was the be-all and end-all of our existence, but music was the main source of entertainment, the Dawn newspaper quoted her as saying. She admitted that Kanan Bala and Begum Akhtar were their all-time favorites, with Lata Mangeshkar, a passion with everyone. Interestingly, Noor had no formal training in music, but she was captivated by Akhtar's ghazals and Bala's bhajans since childhood. While regaling her friends and teachers during a musical function at her alma mater, National College of Arts in Lahore, Professor Asrar Ahmad of Islamia College spotted her burgeoning talent. Soon, Noor found herself singing for the university's Radio Pakistan programs. In 1971, she made her playback singing debut in Pakistani television serials and then seamlessly transitioned to films like Gharana and Tansen. She won the Nigar Award for the Best Female Playback Singer for Gharana. Noor will be best known for her ghazals. She performed at mehfils, enjoying a cult-like following among ghazal lovers in Pakistan and India. Her famous ghazal rendition was, A Jazba-e Dilgar Main Chahoon, written by Behzad Lukhnavi, a renowned Urdu poet. Noor also sang ghazals penned by poets like Ghalib, Faiz Ahmed Faiz, and also performed with the likes of Mehdi Hassan. Barka Bars Chatpur, a rare Hindi poem by Faiz, which she rendered with her husband Shaharyar Zaidi in 1976 on his birthday.